Hi, here we will discuss about data hiding in Java programming. Hiding an internal object details, that is data members within the class to prevent its direct access from outside the class. That means here the variables values are unable to access from one class to another class by using data hiding concept. Data hiding ensures the exclusive data access to class members are here. One is the variables and another one is methods. Okay, so these are hiding from another class, that is the data hiding. It protects object integrity by preventing unintended or intended changes. Here the data hiding also reduces the system complexity by limiting interdependencies between the classes, that means software components, which is increasing the security by using data hiding concepts, which can be achieved by declaring the variables of a class as private to hide the values of those variables. So here for example, a bank class is defined with private variable, that data type is long and the variable balance equal to 0. Then it will use two types of methods. One is setter method and another one is getter method. Here the setter method is used to assign the values to the variables which are declared here, and the getter method is used to access the value of those variables which are already having the values, so which is using to access the values or displaying the values. Then the setter method is used to assign the values to the variables or store the values in the variables. Based upon this, we are seeing the example by defining the class bank and creating the variable using the private access specifier balance equal to 0. Then we are creating one more variable acc number assigning values 456. Then here which is having two methods, that is the setter method and getter method to hide the values, right? And here the setter method is defining the two variables as arguments, and which is getting the values through the arguments which are passing through the class customer. This is the driver class because which is having the main method. Inside the main method we are creating the object with respect to class bank. Then here we are defining the variable c number which is taking the value 456, and using this custom cust object we are assigning the value to the variables by calling the setter method set underscore balance. Here we are passing two values 1000 and c number. Here we are passing those values. Long amount is here 1000 and c number is here 456. So then here we are checking the account number. The account number is 456. If both are equal, then we are adding the balance with the value which we are getting here amount. So balance already here we are having 0, so 0 plus passing amount is here 1000, so 0 plus 1000 now assigned to the variable bal. Then here we are calling another method get underscore balance, that means accessing the values from the get underscore balance, that means getter method, right? We are passing the c number is here 456, this one, right? So here we are passing that value 456. Then we are checking account number, yes it is 456, so 456 equal to 456, it is true. Once it is true, returning the balance, already balance is having this value 1000, so it is returning the value 1000. So now the 1000 is the result of this getter method, then the 1000 is assigned to this variable, so right, then those values are going to displayed by using the system.out.println c number is 456, the balance which is assigned here, that is 1000. So this is the output of this setter method and getter method member functions. Here what we have to observe, the variable value BAL is hiding from the user. You cannot access that BAL value inside this customer class, because the variable BAL is private variable, so it cannot be accessed outside of this class. So we are hiding the value of BAL inside the class bank. Suppose here you are passing different customer number 300, then we are calling the setter method here by passing 300 300 here, 1000 comma 300, then here it is checking 1000 is passing here, 300 is passing here, then here the number is this one 300, but account number is here 456, so 456, so both are not equal, so it becomes false. So if it becomes false means it will come out of this setter method. Likewise, when you are passing the C number here 300 by using the getter method, so 300 is passing over here, then account number is 456, so 456 equal to 300, it becomes false. Once it becomes false, this if block will not execute, so returning -1, that means unauthorized customer. So 300 is unauthorized customer as per this account number 456. So like this we can hide the details of data members, that means methods and variable values, by using data hiding concept. So to hide the details, we need getter method and setter method, and also the variables to be declared as a private in data hiding concept. Thanks for watching.